In the previous module, you programmed the motion and waypoints needed to move the workpiece from the left conveyor into the cardboard box on the right conveyor. In this module, you will add commands to make the robot wait for and react to inputs from the sensors, and you will add commands to operate the gripper and change the payload when picking and placing the workpiece. The two most common commands when working with inputs and outputs are the set command and the wait command. The set command sets either digital or analog outputs to a specific value. The wait command makes the robot stop and wait for a specific event to take place. Click the I/O menu in the top ribbon to see a couple of examples. In the Tool Output window, you can see the output for the gripper. Turn the output on and off by clicking it. In the robot program, you can use a set command to open and close the gripper. Now pick up the workpiece from the conveyor and drop it in front of the sensor. In the digital input window, you can see that sensor 2 is now activated. In the robot program, you can use a wait command to make the robot wait for and react to sensor inputs. Now, your task is to insert and program all the set and wait commands needed for the pick and place application. At waypoint 1, the robot has to wait for a signal from sensor 1 that tells the robot when the workpiece is in the correct position at the end of the conveyor. To do so, you can use a wait command. Here are all the motions and waypoints you programmed in the previous module. To insert the needed wait command, start by clicking Waypoint 1 in the program tree. Then click the Wait button to the left of the program tree. A wait command is inserted below Waypoint 1. In the command field to the right of the program tree, you select which event the robot has to wait for. The input from the sensor is a digital input, so select Wait for Digital Input, and select Sensor 1 in the first drop-down menu. And then click the second drop-down menu. When the sensor is not activated, the input in the control box is low. When the sensor is activated, the input changes to high. Here, we want the robot to wait for the sensor to be activated, so select high. The robot now waits at waypoint 1 for the input to change to high before moving on to waypoint 2. At waypoint 2, the robot has to close the gripper to pick the workpiece. You can use a set command to do this. To insert the set command, start by clicking waypoint 2 in the program tree. Then click the Set button to the left of the program tree. The set command is inserted below waypoint 2. The gripper is connected to the tool output, which is a digital output, so select Set Digital Output in the command. Select Gripper in the first drop-down menu, and click the second drop-down menu. To close the gripper, select High. The gripper now picks the workpiece when reaching waypoint 2. Remember, payload was defined as the weight of the tool. When the gripper picks up something, it becomes heavier and payload must be adjusted accordingly. To do so, click the checkbox, Set the total payload to. Set the new payload to the weight of the tool plus the weight of the workpiece. It takes a little time to pick the workpiece, so you also need a command that makes the robot wait long enough before moving on to the next waypoint. Click the Wait command and select Wait 0.01 seconds in the command field. Set the time to 1 second. The robot now closes the gripper, adjusts the payload, and waits 1 second before moving to waypoint 3. You have configured all the set and wait commands needed at the left conveyor. Now, your task is to configure the wait and set commands needed at the right conveyor. So the robot waits for the box and places the workpiece in the box. We'll start by adding the remaining commands. Click Waypoint 4. And click the Wait button to the left of the program tree. Then click Waypoint 5. And click the Set button to the left of the program tree. And the Wait button again. Now configure the two wait commands and the set command so the application works as intended. You have configured all the commands correctly. Well done!